Latitudes are imaginary lines on Earth map to easily locate places on the Earth. Latitude is distance north or south of equator and is measured in terms of degrees of a circle. The equator is a line of 0 degree latitude and is the starting point for measuring latitude. Latitude of North Pole is 90 degree north and that of South Pole is 90 degree south. 1 degree of latitude covers about 111 kilometers. Important latitudes are Tropic of Cancer, which is 23 degree and 30 minutes north, and Tropic of Capricorn, which is at 23 degree and 30 minutes south. Arctic Circle is at 66 degree 30 minute north and Antarctic Circle is at 66 degree and 30 minutes south. These latitude, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle, define the polar region. Longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary lines drawn from North Pole to South Pole. Prime meridian is a 0 degree longitude which passes through Greenwich, England. Longitude of a place is a distance east or west from the prime meridian. So, one half of the world is measured in degrees of east longitude up to 180 degree and the other half is measured in degrees of west longitude up to 180 degrees. We can see here as we are moving, we can see the longitudes, which is 30 degree west, now it is 60 degree, then 90 degree west. So longitude degree keeps on increasing up to 180 degree from the west side. Also we can see that 180 degree east longitude and 180 degree west longitude is the same line. These latitude and longitudes help us to locate a place on a Earth's surface. Torrid zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. These latitudes mark the north and south extremes in which the sun passes directly overhead once in a year. However, in the region between these lines, the sun passes overhead twice a year. Temperate zone. In this zone, sun is never directly overhead and the climate is mild, ranging from warm to cool. The 4 annual seasons, that is spring, summer, autumn and winter, occur in these areas. Frigid zone or polar region experiences the midnight sun and the polar night for part of the year. In the center of frigid zone, that is pole, the day is 1 year long and with 6 months of daylight and 6 months of night. Frigid zones are covered with ice and snow. Locating a place on Earth. Suppose we want to locate capital of India, that is New Delhi, on Earth. First we will see the latitude which passes through New Delhi and it is 28.7 degree north latitude. Next we will check which longitude passes through it and it is 77.1 degree east. So we can say that the location of New Delhi on Earth is 28.7 degree north and 77.1 degree east.